Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock ULEFONE Armor X12 without password. Okay, but in the beginning I would say that please try to unlock only your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. Also, unfortunately, in the method that I'm about to show you, basically we lose all of our data because we need to perform a factory reset through the recovery mode, but thanks to that we will remove our lock screen. So remember about losing your data. So as you can see, device is locked, we cannot remember our password, and what to do now. So we need to hold the power button and let's power off the device. Now we'll have to open up the recovery mode, and we do it by holding the power button and volume up button. So keep holding both of the buttons. Okay, and now we have this boot menu. To move around this menu we need to click volume up, and now select recovery mode and confirm by clicking the volume down. Now we need to wait a little. Okay, now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys. We need to select wipe data / factory reset. Now click the power button to confirm. Select factory data reset. Click the power button. This is the last chance, because if you click the power button right now, you will lose all of your data. You can also read about it right in here. Okay. Data wipe complete. Now select Reboot System Now. Click the power button, and within a second the device will be turned on, and the next thing we need to do is to set up our phone. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.